Welcome to ERS Music, our studio. This is Savi. In this tutorial, I will show you the process I use to create this dancing cartoon girl. I will start very simple and later on I will add more details. Please stay with me and never give up. Happy animation! I start on frame 1. But first, let me set up my workspace. Let's begin sketching. So let's start with some basic shapes. The head is just a sphere with some guidelines to show the directions of the face. When you are animating and you see your character as a three-dimensional object, rotating it can be much easier. Just to remind you, I started in frame 1 and the record button is on. Rename this layer and add a new layer. We're going to use this new layer as a background. So let me use these guidelines to help me animate this character. I am just concentrating on the motion of the character. I will add more details later on. Remember that this is a very rough sketch and I am just drawing the most important frames of the animation. Drawing very rough is very important because even if we don't like what we have done, we will not lose a lot of drawing time. Once you are happy with your animation, then you can begin adding more details. Right now, I am adding more frames or relocating the keyframes and playing with the timing. Always save and rename your project. Sketching the clothes. What I'm doing here is tracing the clothes and adding a little bit more details. This is not the inking process. It is a rough sketch to know the movement of the clothes. Another point is that you don't have to be faithful to the original sketch. You can always modify the movement. This is what we have so far. What I'm doing now is adding another layer. I can name this layer. Let me create another color to draw the next part of the clothes. She needs a pair of shoes, right? So let's use this layer for the shoes. And now what I do is sketching her shoes. I am going to scroll mode and I press F to play with the size. Once I finish modifying her shoe, I erase this one and then go to edit mode. I select it, then G to translate and S to scale. Next, I am getting ready to work on the shirt and adding more details. As before, I go to scroll mode and edit mode to modify it. In here, I just mirror this position. I also have the option to draw it again, but I chose not.